Hey there, my fantastic little artists. It's time for another whimsical adventure on Easy Peasy Art. And today, we're diving into something quirky and creative, drawing a trapped bug. So grab your art supplies, and let's get ready for a ton of fun. To get this art party started, we're sketching the shape of our glass jar. And let me tell you, it's as round as a globe. But wait, there's more. We're slapping on a lid that's cork-like, just like the ones you'd find on magic potion bottles. This cork means business, sealing the bottle tight. And we'll jazz it up with some texture details. Spots galore, big or small. The choice is all yours. Now hold on to your hats because here's where the magic truly unfolds. We're about to introduce you to the real superstar of our show, the bug who's less than thrilled about being cooped up in this jar. We're talking two massive, furious eyes, like two circles sticking together. With eyeballs glaring to the side, all in a huff. We'll even give our bug some airborne eyebrows, as if he's seriously questioning his imprisonment. And his mouth? It's just a line with two pointy teeth poking out, shouting, "I am not amused!" His big old face practically plastered to the base of the glass jar. But that's not all. We're giving him antennas on top of his eyes and pointy little legs on the side. His bug is in dire straits, squished inside this glass jar, and way too big for this itty-bitty globe-shaped bottle. We're going all out with texture details too. Think lines and dots, to make him look like the real deal. But wait, there's more excitement. Let's make everything burst with color. The bottle's lid goes classic brown, with some warm textured brown details for added flair. The glass bottle itself gets a chic shade of gray, giving it that mysterious, opaque look. And our bug? Oh, he's strutting his stuff in a vibrant yellow outfit. But hold on to your seats because we're finishing off with purple details for textures and spots on the bug. And just to kick things up a notch, a spot or two of white hue to make the bottle shine and sparkle. Our trapped bug is looking outrageously fun and cute, don't you agree? Now, If you had a blast creating this quirky character as much as I did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And we can't wait to catch you in our next wildly delightful art adventure. Thanks for joining us today and keep on drawing, my pals.